Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set a step goal on Fitbit app. Now, setting a step goal on the Fitbit app is a great way to stay motivated and track your activity. The process is similar for both Android and iOS devices. The first thing you need to do is open the Fitbit app. So after you've launched it on your device, the next thing you need to do is navigate to the U tab. Now, U tab is at the bottom here, so you tap on the U tab. Now once you're there, next thing you're going to do is to scroll down on the U tab until you find the goals section. Here are they. The next thing you're going to do after finding the goals section is to tap on see all. This will show you a list of all the different types of goal you can set in the app. For exercise, for steps, you can see every single one you can select. So you can select your daily activity in the list of goals. You can see all the activity. You can see everything. So you just tap on it and set the goal you want. You tap on it, set the steps you want, the hourly activity, the distance, energy burn, health, wealth, body fat, everything. You set your goal. And once you're through with that, you can now edit if you want. You should be able to see your current step goal. Tap on the goal amount to edit it. Then use the on-screen options like the numerical keypad to enter your desired goal. So let us look at the step. This is step 10,000. So I can decide to increase it or reduce it. And once I'm through, tap on set goal. So I've made it 14,000 steps daily. And this way I have set a step goal on my Fitbit app. So if I go back, so you can see the steps I've taken out of it, just 169 today. Out of this, you can see I am 13,031 steps away from hitting my daily goal. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more.